This video is dedicated to the person who commented and said that I need to stop trying to be funny. So this one's for you. This is for a different video. Don't look at that. This is my comparison of the Makita case versus the DeWalt case, ToughSystem 2.0. It's not as deep as the Makita case. It's more comfortable in the hand. The handle is like rubberized. A little better than the Makita, just kind of, they're both rubber, but the Makita one is not near as comfortable. They're both fairly big. See, it's fairly big. A little bit bigger. If you want something a little bigger, go Makita. If you like blue, go to Makita. If you want to be different than everybody because nobody has it, go to Makita. They both have rubber liner on the lid. They'll both keep your tools dry. They both have dividers, whereas the Makita is a little deeper than the DeWalt. Makita gives you 3 different sizes though. Look at a thin, a little bit fatter, and then the cubicle. See, it's it's a cube basically. You get 2 of these, 1 of these big ones, and you get 8 of the little cube ones. Like I said, they're deeper than the DeWalt. So if you've got deeper items, great. Now, this one, if you like black and yellow, this is your thing. If you like red, we obviously know what you're gonna do. Shut up about it. You get 8 of these kind of cube ones. 2 of these, kind of nice. You can obviously remove them all, put things inside the box. One nice thing is the Makita, you don't have to mod the box. If you want to empty it out and use it, that's fine. If you want to do that with DeWalt, let me show you. You got to cut it out. This calls to attention the thickness of the plastic of the DeWalt. It's pretty thin. DeWalt is pretty thin. The Makita, probably a little thicker, feels more solid. If you want something more solid, go to Makita, although there aren't too many choices. That's my video, so watch it or don't. I really don't care. Bye.